Why own a dozen coats when one piece of fabric can do it all for you? This multi-use blanket hack transforms a simple throw into your ultimate cold weather companion, a game changer for frugal living and smart styling. Imagine taking an old 60 by 80-inch fleece blanket weighing about 2 pounds, or perhaps a plush wool blend 55 by 75 inches, and turning it into something truly extraordinary. A garment providing incredible warmth down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, protecting you from 35-degree wind. This creative project requires minimal supplies, perhaps a sharp pair of scissors, a measuring tape, a sewing machine, or simple needle and thread, maybe 4 sturdy buttons or 6 snap fasteners, and some matching thread. Total material cost is starting from scratch, often less than $10. Most people can complete this transformation in under 2 hours, even if they are absolute beginners to sewing, with more experienced hands finishing it in a mere 35 to 45 minutes, saving much time and effort. The first step involves careful measurement, creating a large rectangular cut, maybe 64 inches long by 42 inches wide from your chosen blanket. Then marking a central neck opening around 12 inches in diameter, perfect for adults. Next, you fold your fabric correctly, creating armholes that are roughly 22 inches long by 11 inches wide. Then you can either sew or use a strong fabric glue for lasting seams, double-stitched for durability. After securing all the edges, you can add your fasteners, perhaps 4 buttons positioned strategically for various styling options on chest and waist, or strong snaps for quick changes. This incredible creation offers at least 5 distinct wearing styles, from a traditional long coat to a cozy cape, a versatile poncho, a stylish wrap, or even a quick emergency blanket for an unexpected chill. It is machine washable on a cold setting with a mild detergent, and typically dries in about 90 minutes, making care easy and convenient for daily use. Think of the money saved, easily $75 to $100 compared to buying a new retail coat. And the environmental impact is significantly reduced by upcycling old items. This single versatile item can replace multiple wardrobe pieces, freeing up closet space and simplifying your daily routine, reducing clutter. It is perfect for chilly mornings, a sudden evening breeze, a camping trip, a long flight, a soccer game, a park walk, or just lounging at home reading a book and sipping hot cocoa, offering comfort and practical utility. The sheer adaptability and low cost make this one of the most brilliant clothing modifications you will ever encounter, a testament to ingenuity and resourcefulness. This project yields immediate satisfying results, creating useful, beautiful things. Transforming a simple blanket into a survival tool takes just 35 minutes. This multi-use blanket coat project turns an everyday textile into an essential part of your wardrobe in under 2 hours for beginners. Transform a 60 by 80 inch fleece blanket, £2, or 55 by 75 inch wool blend for new purpose. Achieve 40 degrees Fahrenheit warmth and 35-degree wind protection, exceeding many retail coats. Journey begins with few supplies, scissors, measuring tape, sewing machine or basic needle thread. Then 4 sturdy buttons or 6 snap fasteners with matching thread. Material cost under $10. Save $75 to $100 over buying new. Beginners finish under 120 minutes, experienced in 35 to 45, saving time. First step, precise measurement creates a 64 by 42 inch rectangular cut. Mark central neck opening, 12 inches diameter for adult fit. Fold fabric creating armholes, 22 inches long by 11 inches wide for ample movement. Sew or glue seams for durability. Double stitch edges. Reinforce armholes, neck. 3 rows for strength. Add 4 buttons strategically on chest waist or 6 snap fasteners for quick changes and 5 distinct looks. 5 styles include long coat, cozy cape, versatile poncho, stylish wrap, or emergency blanket for chill. Easy care, machine washable, cold mild detergent. Dries 90 minutes, convenient daily use. Save $75 to $100 over new retail coat. Reduce environmental impact by upcycling one old item. This single item replaces multiple wardrobe pieces, freeing closet space, simplifying routine, reducing clutter by 1/3. Perfect for chilly mornings, evening breeze, camping trip, long flight, soccer game, park walk. Lounging home offers comfort, practical utility, countless situations. Adaptability and low cost make this a brilliant clothing modification. A testament to ingenuity, resourceful living, providing immediate satisfying results, creating useful, beautiful things for everyday life. 5 occasions. An astounding 40 degrees Fahrenheit warmth comes from one humble textile. This multi-use blanket coat project transforms an everyday textile into an essential part of your wardrobe in under 2 hours, even for beginners. Imagine turning a 60 by 80 inch 2-pound fleece blanket or a 55 by 75 inch wool blend into a garment providing incredible 35-degree wind protection, exceeding many retail coats you might find. Your journey begins with very few supplies. Just scissors, measuring tape, a sewing machine, or basic needle thread. Then, 4 sturdy buttons or 6 snap fasteners with matching thread for a seamless finish. The material cost remains under $10, saving you between $75 and $100 over buying a new coat. A significant financial advantage. Beginners can finish this ingenious project under 120 minutes, while experienced individuals achieve completion in just 35 to 45 minutes, saving valuable time. The initial step demands precise measurement to create a 64 by 42 inch rectangular cut from your chosen fabric. Next, you carefully mark a central neck opening 12 inches in diameter, perfect for an adult fit, ensuring comfort. You then fold the fabric, creating spacious armholes 22 inches long by 11 inches wide, allowing for ample movement throughout your day. Seams are meticulously sewn or glued for exceptional durability, with edges double-stitched to reinforce all critical points. Armholes and the neck receive 3 rows of strong reinforcement stitching for superior strength, ensuring your coat lasts for years of rigorous use and constant adventure. You then strategically add 4 buttons on the chest and waist, or opt for 6 snap fasteners, providing quick changes between 5 distinct, versatile looks. These 5 ingenious styles include a sophisticated long coat, a cozy cape for chilly evenings, a highly practical poncho for unexpected weather, a stylish wrap for an elegant touch, and an emergency blanket ready for sudden cold snaps. Each style is designed for maximum utility and comfort, adaptable to 5 different occasions, making your wardrobe more flexible and simplifying your daily routine dramatically. This one item replaces multiple wardrobe pieces, freeing valuable closet space and reducing clutter by 1/3. A truly remarkable organizational benefit. Easy care is another major advantage, as it is machine washable cold with mild detergent and dries completely in just 90 minutes, offering convenience for daily use. Save $75 to $100 over a new retail coat and actively reduce environmental impact by upcycling one old item, giving it a new purpose. This single item offers incredible adaptability and a low cost, making it a brilliant clothing modification, a true testament to human ingenuity and resourceful living. It provides immediate satisfying results, creating useful, beautiful things for everyday life. and 5 specific occasions like a chilly morning, a long flight, or even a soccer game. Its practical utility extends to countless situations, whether for a park walk, lounging at home, or an evening breeze, offering comfort and convenience in every scenario imaginable.